My name's Guy and I'm the designer behind Nero. All Nero units are designed and assembled by our team here in Sydney locally. They're made primarily from SLA printed resin and CNC manufactured carbon fibre plates. This ensures that the units are lightweight but also robust and ideal for the rigours of water sampling environment.
Hi, my name is Paris Cockinos and I am the CEO and founder of Sphere Group. Nero is the brainchild of Sphere Drones, and Sphere Drones has been one of the leading partners within the drone industry here in Australia.
We were initially engaged by Sydney Water, who wanted to minimise the amount of risk involved in their water sampling operations. This led to them being interested in the use of a drone for these applications, and that got us onto the first generation of Nero. The Australian Institute of Marine Science also engaged us and were interested in a multi-sample collection unit, which, as you can imagine, spurred the idea for the Nero Poly and got it to where it is today. With our team of industry experts specialising in mechatronic engineering, mechanical engineering and design, we're more than equipped to deliver market-ready solutions for a fast-paced industry.
Beyond Nero, Sphere Group has established a team of 38 spread across Australia. Not only am I excited, they are excited to take this innovative solution Nero to the global markets.